All right. Good day, everyone. Peter here once again, and all right, I'm back and slowly going up with our trade analysis today. And today on this blog, I'm going to start with a really simple indicator that is widely used by a lot of professional traders. But before we get started, guys, this is not a financial advice. All this stuff, all this blog, all this video, the website that I'm going to share, it's not all about um, a financial advice. Okay. All right. That's a disclaimer. All right. So today on this blog, we're going to start with a indicator. Again, it's really, really simple. And even a 10th grader can do it. Okay. It's called a simple moving average. And later on this, on the videos that I'm going to share and lives, we are going to go a little bit of advance as we progress on. Okay. And let us have some examples of the trading platform that you think you may be comfortable of using. So, okay, let's go ahead. Let's jump. Um, First off, I wanted to start creating an account with TradingView. So let me share TradingView, guys. Okay, here's TradingView. I think you can see that. It's TradingView, whatever.com or TradingView.com, and then look at the chart. And from it, you can play around with different indicators up in there, and you can play around with different even with stocks, with cryptocurrency is the very common one, and I think in cryptocurrency, um you would learn a lot, the volatility with cryptocurrency, the pump and dump, the rise and fall of any of the cryptocurrency, which is way more volatile than trading with stocks. But again, I'm trying to say that if you learn with cryptocurrency or learn trading with cryptocurrency, it would be a lot easier for you to trade with stocks. It's a lot easier for you to trade with stocks. All right. So why is that? Well, first thing first, in cryptocurrency, it is highly volatile, very move, um, like very unpredictable compared to a lot of stocks. But anyway, um, again, I started this video prior to starting anything, and then previous to this one, I started to make some predictions about Bitcoin, and Bitcoin actually went up as I predicted. I would say forecast way back last year. So it really pumps up and it hits the target of 20,000. My target was like 20,000 for December of last year. So we even went beyond. So it even went beyond. So with that being said, of course, I gain a little, and I will not say that. But again, I am successful with the forecast. So we made it. Okay, let's go ahead. This second one, actually, I would like to highlight what's going on with the GameStop. Okay, there's a lot of fuss about GameStop, and my comment to that one, my opinion, I would state my opinion because probably the hedge managers were not able to see what's going to be the outcome, and what we so called the guerrilla traders, like we are some kind of the guerrilla traders, and here we are the day traders. We call ourselves, or you guys, if you're start to day trade, you are the so-called day traders, and we are those kind of traders that doesn't follow whatever the hedge managers are trying to advise you or advise us. So we're some kind of like, hey, I think because, again, I think because I am a cliche. I think because this is what the indicator told me. Okay, this is what the indicator tells me. Okay, let's start again. I said simple moving average. Okay, here it is. This is what a simple moving average look like. Oops, sorry for that. Where is my picture? I should show myself as well. Where are you? Picture para makita ang picture natin mga friends, mga egan. Ayan. Anyway, I mean, I cannot see myself in here now. What's going on? What's going on? All right. If you can hear my voice, that's good. If not, so bad. Okay. We are live, guys. He's live. So you will learn from this. If you get this and learn from this, I know you will learn from this. I can guarantee. I can maybe assure that you will win for a start. Maybe most of the time. I'd say 60 to 80% of the time. If you take these notes down here, it's really simple. It's really basic, but it's, I would say it's highly accurate, or very precise, or very accurate. Where's my face? I cannot see my face, ladies and gentlemen. It's only like this one, and I need to share. Okay, so bear with me. Bear with me. There you go. Boom, 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 boom. What's going on? I need to see my face. Oh yeah. Anyway, what's going on? I don't understand, but anyway, here we go. Simple moving average. Where can you find that in trading.com chart? So right over here with the indicators. Okay, there's several indicators. There's about more than 100 indicators in here that you can, from letter A up to Z. But of all those indicators, moving average, or the simple moving average, is my favorite. So you get S, simple, type in simple, or indicators strategies, just type in, no, simple, just moving. All right, moving average. There you go. I already have it. I already have the moving average. I already have, so I don't need to do this. But I'm just showing to you that you can get the indicators right over here in indicators. So bear with me, guys. I speak. I'm using English right now because several people asked me or requested on for me to do a quick tutorials using, the English language. So simple moving average, you can get that using the indicator tab right over here. So here we go. Like, this is my number. I have 6, 14, and 26. That's the number that I frequently use. Why is that? It's because I'm comfortable with it. You can have 9, 18, and then 30. You can do that if you want a longer length. But for me, I want it to be tight. I like it tight because I trade very frequently. I trade, like, in one day, I trade about 10 trades a day. So I make it sure that my trades, or my openings, are really tight. Okay, like MA at 6, MA moving average at 14. I can even make it to 12 to really make it tight, or really close. Okay, because my profit target is only like one, from even from point 0.8, okay, as low as point 0.8, up to as high as like 2% per trade. That's my target profit. Or yeah, but if you are trying to target, if you want to swing, or target a higher profit, then you can adjust this to maybe 9, this one 16, and this one to 30. It's up to you, whatever you think you're comfortable with. So I started with a 6. Take note that I changed the color with the blue. So this line here, the short line here, I call it the shorter line. That's the blue line. The next line is the red. Oh no, sorry, yellow. The yellow line is my middle line. Okay, it's a little bit faster than the blue, so it goes ahead. Look at this; it's faster than the blue, and longer than the blue. I'm sorry. And the last one is the red. Red is my longest line. So and what does the red do? The red simply confirms to me whether the whole market scenario is bullish or bearish. So you have to understand what a bull is, what a bear is. Okay, now let's start. This is really quick. When the blue line, or when the slow line crosses the middle line, like right over here, this example here, when the blue crosses, there's a consolidation right over here. You can tell that. When this blue started to cross with the yellow, that tells you that you are about to position somewhere in the middle of that, of this one here, maybe like about, if say if you're 1 hour time frame, you can do in the second hour, or you can put a limit position going long, limit position. Okay, do not do a market one yet, so you can do a limit position that it buys somewhere here. Okay, so there's a cross, put a limit position right over here, not market position. If you put a market position, you might, well, it's okay, but there's a tendency that for the market to go down, because we are not sure. But if you put a limit position with a price about 5% up from the base price, from the market price, then look at this. You are in the profit. You are in the money. Okay, you will be in the money right over here. In the money, in the money, in the money, in the money. So eventually you are making huge profit right over here. And that's exactly what happened to GameStop right now. Though I'm using Bitcoin and Tether, okay, or USDT. All right. So to confirm that one, that it is already in the bullish, look at the red line. When the red line, okay, when the red line is still at the bottom of the two lines, meaning to say the market is bullish. Okay, take note of that. When the red line is at the bottom, then the market is going to be really bullish. Okay, which is what actually happened right over here. The red is at the bottom. There was a crossover right over here, and it went up. It's bullish. Now you see the change right over here. You can see that, and when you see that position right over there, you better start to close your position because it's started to go down. Okay, there was already a if you look at the BB on this one, or the Bollinger Band, which we don't show yet, it is already overbought. So look at this here, and you can see the candle. The candle starts to go red as opposed to going green. So from here, you can make again a limit position of going short. So when the blue line, again, the same thing, same thing. When the blue line crosses the yellow line and it's going down, when the blue crosses the yellow down here and the yellow starts to be in the mid, that is the beginning of the bear market. That's going to go bear. I guarantee you that one. So that is, so you have to put a limit position if you wanted to short. That's exactly what happened with the with whoever those who hedge manager, capital hedge managers. Okay, um, they saw it coming, so they thought it's going short. They never saw that. I mean, they never saw it, that indicator in there, and they put a short. I mean, see, that's what happened, guys. When you think you can just simply, I would not say, man, I hate to say the word, but if you think you can really are, if you have a right now, especially right now, where everyone has computer at their homes, where everyone has already know how to trade, when there's so many day traders and they saw that indicator in there, most of them would definitely would go long or go bullish. They'll put open up a long trade. Whereas those who think, they think because they have the money, they think that they can actually outdo the market, or they can actually like put a dump and tank it. Numbers, guys, this is a numbers game. There's more people, and they can compete with that whatever you put. So it's already an indicator, and there's a lot of them. This is not being um uh what is being said or spread out in the social media like Reddit, for example, but the people saw it. They saw it and read it. They hear it from Reddit, and they look at the market. They look at the position of the MA, the moving average, and the blue already crossed the yellow line. So they would say, if it was me, I would say, I will not say I have it, okay, But I'm happy of what's going on. I'm so happy, very happy. All right, I saw that blue line crosses the yellow line or the orange, whatever color you assign there, and everyone saw it. Everybody, everyday trader would put a long position for that one. So, all right, there's the battle begins. It's the battle between a big whoever hedge manager there versus those day traders. And who won? Right this now, we the day traders. All right, let's go back. Let's go back. So, right over here, guys. Let me see. Let's share this one more time. Look at the blue line. I will not put. I'll show you later with the GameStop uh stocks using Nasdaq or the NYSE, the New York Stock Exchange. Look at the blue line here. It crosses the yellow line. This is exactly. I mean, this did not happen. This did not happen yet, and for some reason, why did they put a short position? What's their motive? I don't understand. And they're trying to fight against the wave of people who already knew this indicator or whatever indicator they probably use this indicator too. There's several indicators. They already saw it. This is not 2008, guys. This is not 2006 during the market bubble or during the at that time the great short. Mm-mm. Today is different. Cryptocurrency trading in cryptocurrency has trained a lot of people in trading, and there is so many platforms now that offers those stocks. You think it's only Robinhood? Sorry, it's not Robinhood. There's a lot more. I'll show you in a few. Okay, so look at this. And for Bitcoin, I can see that there is a bearish market, but look at that right over here. I am forecasting that once this guy cross the yellow line, I would put a limit position of going long. So Bitcoin is gonna go up anytime next week again. This is a 1 hour time frame. So we'll see what's going on in the market. But I'm going long with Bitcoin right now. I have Bitcoin, of course, but I'm going a long position for that one. So with this right over here. So if that goes up, I'm predicting somewhere. Look at that. We're closing. We're really closing to right over here. If you look at a 4 hour time frame, whew, beautiful. It is a beautiful position. Okay, right over here. I can see if we do a whatever indicators you want, it's up to you. But MA moving average is a really simple one, and you can use it like almost in a day-to-day basis for your trading. And the second one I'm going to show actually is the BB, okay, the Bollinger Band, which somehow tells you when is it oversold, when is it overbought, and then you can put those position in a short term. Okay, I said about Nasdaq. Okay, let's go to stock. Let's go to GameStop. Game GameStop Corporation. Look at that right over here, guys. That's a 4 hour time frame. Let's do a 1 hour time frame right over here. It is. I don't understand why. What is your motive to put a short wherein? Look at that right over here. The blue already crosses the yellow. I mean, come on, guys. The blue already crosses that yellow. You saw that. Let me do it again. Let me show it again. Look at this blue right over here. There's so much consolidation. Like there, when a stock or a market is consolidating, it's brewing down. It's something big. It might happen anytime. And this one right over here, there's already a crossover with the blue line and the yellow line right over here. Okay, there's already a crossover of blue and the yellow. And again, if you put a limit position going up, it will just keep on going up. And you leave that position, it will just go up and just go up and just go up. And people are like, hey, my friends tell me, like, hey, I'm on a long position right now. Go, make a position. Look, it tries to go down here. They're trying to short it, but it never touched the yellow. So there was an attempt to short it. It failed again. Right over here, there are several attempts to go short, but too bad. Too bad or too late. It's just bullish. Okay. And look at this position right over here. Again, when I said the red line is still at the bottom, the market is still bullish for that particular stocks. Okay. So easy, guys. I mean, this is basic. There's a lot more to learn in trading, and as we move along, I'm going to show you some basic, very basic, fundamental, but very very useful in advanced trading. Okay, and then happy trading, and I'll show you what platforms are really good in trading. Oh, anyway, I forgot. Let me share to you what are those. Say GME. Look at that. What's available for a GameStop and even for crypto. They have partners with crypto. GameStop Incorporation. It's in NYSE. For let me see if we can do GameStop. No, there is. Let me see all GME. GME. Okay, at all. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Look at this. It's really interesting here. You can trade and you can buy these stocks in Bittrex, OTC, XE, yeah, Bittrex, FTX, Bittrex, OTC. Robinhood is not even mentioned here. Why? Well, I don't know. For me, Robinhood is for like really beginner. So if you're a beginner, you can just want to buy some stocks. You can buy it from them. But for some reason, they're kind of like withholding it, or not withholding, but kind of like cease the selling of the stocks. I don't know why they did it, but I don't know. I'm sorry, it's not withhold, but I don't know. Maybe they have some technical issues, maybe why they. But there are other ways how where you can buy a GameStop stocks. You can buy it in FTX. You can buy it in Bittrex. You can buy it in OKEX. So these are platforms like a stock trading. Okay, less regulated because you can trade it with a cryptocurrency with USDT. So there's no need for you to go under whatever those KYC. All right, no need for the KYC for that one. All you need to do is register yourself on those platform. I mean, that's what I know. Okay, again, this is not a financial advice, but some tips and forecast and where to find our trading view as the best tool for you to play around with analyzing or looking at studying the movement of stocks and cryptocurrency. Learning cryptocurrency first would definitely make you learn a lot more on stocks. it's 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 a lot difficult in cryptocurrency because of volatility. So understanding trading using cryptocurrency, using Binance, Bitrex, FTX, OKEX, KuCoin, so many more. There's a lot in there in the market, but be careful, okay? Because these are unregulated. Just be careful. Just learn from it, okay? Again, trade what you can afford to lose. Thank you so much, guys, for listening, and I hope you get something out of that. A short and quick tutorials on moving average. Thank you, and you have a great day.